Salute this, y'all. Nice cars out here. Small. It's an old school Volvo here. The BBS is on it. Y'all don't remember that. Skyline. Turbo. Damn. That joint. That's nice. I see that joint. Subaru. That's low to the ground. That's a Subaru there. Look at that. That's just a little glimpse, y'all. They got some vets over there. Green. Let me see. I think it's green, red, blue, white ones. Damn. Them joints is tight. Let's see.
Good right there.
Alright, take a picture of this spot.
I'm sorry, a little further back. That's good. Thank you.
Hold on, y'all.